Should I buy this?
Yes.
You think so?
Yes.
What about this RB? Wait, is this a CA? Oh, it's a CA. It's a mini RB. CA18.
There's a big ass RV over there.
A 7M GTE. A turbo 7M. Ooh. Go with the EJ. Go with a K series. I don't know, man. Lots of. Oh, there's another SR. Man, look at this, guys. Engine heaven. Look at all these engines. It's insane. All right, he's bringing the forklift over. Hey, Rod!
What?
Welcome back to the vlog.
Oh, what's up?
Dude, stress level never been
A
higher.
million.
Get the countdown music going.
Stress level right now is all-time high because I'm about to go buy my new engine.
No engine, no Sudoku!
We are heading to the importer to go potentially check out an engine.
And we have like 10 minutes to get there.
Yeah, and Kyle has the keys to my truck.
So we're just
Over here.
pacing around. Wait.
And I'm still on the same building. Oh, there it is.
This guy now he wants to start.
Let's go. Don't turn it off. You're driving us to go to the importer.
I'm not.
Why?
I got shit to do.
Oh, go hang out with your girlfriend? Wow.
Give me the camera. Go, 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 go.
I have not driven this truck in a while. I forgot it doesn't have AC. It's a 40-minute drive. I'm a little rushed, I'm a little stressed going to the importer, but the container just got there today and he thinks he only has one of this engine and I really don't want to miss it.
We got them. We got
You're gonna
masks.
have
We got goldfish. We got good vibes, everybody. We need. No.
Dude, I really can't.
Without hydration. Hydration is key, guys. That's the message today. Okay. Are we here? Do we make it? There's no bay doors on the other side. What the fuck? No sign.
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, thank you. I can come right now. All right, guys, we went to the address on maps and turns out that they moved. We circled the parking lot a bunch and then I called them and they're like, oh yeah, we're not there anymore. But it's only like 3 minutes down the street.
This has been an absolute mess.
Wow.
Just like that car.
I just turned into like 4 different parking lots, man.
My boy is stressed, but I see a JDM car, so I think we are definitely here. Yep.
Oh, and an S13.
Ooh, sick ass fool. Oh, and they got a Yoda right there. Yoda boys.
Hard parking with Yoda.
Okay. So that was cool. That was a nice little shop stop, kind of random.
A couple of homies all rent a little spot there. They were just right in the area of the importer, so We just decided to come say hi. Quick update on the importer. They had one of the engine that I want. Out of 120 new engines, they had one. It is the correct engine, it's the correct ECU, it's everything I need. All right, what's up guys? So the camera ran out of memory yesterday, so I didn't get to finish telling you guys what happened. We ended up not picking up the engine because he hadn't compression tested it yet. So we're on our way back right now, and hopefully the compression numbers are good and we can walk away with the new engine. All right guys, well, the compression test was good. I think the engine checks out, everything looks good on it, you know, as good as it can be for obviously sitting in a crate for a while. I'm super excited, I'm just kind of like taken back because I've been looking for an engine for a while, for this engine for a while, and they've just gotten super, super rare. I'm excited to actually show you guys what I got. I'm just gonna go talk to the guy, pay him, do whatever I need to do, and then we're gonna load it up. I haven't decided when I'm gonna actually like show it to you guys, probably when we get home. That'll probably be the best time. So stick around. All right guys, so we picked up the engine, deal's done. Huge shout out to Northwest JDM. They are an importer here in Sacramento. So if you guys are in the area, Northern California, hit these guys up. They have the best stuff, great prices, and they'll take care of you. So Northwest JDM, phone number, give them a call. Oh, the engine's back there. Can't spill the surprise yet.
That's what's up.
What do you think?
I'm stoked. I'm stoked you found one.
Yeah, man. It's been a long time coming.
Hell yeah.
Haven't told them what it is yet, so don't spill it. But is this what you would want to put in your sick hatch one day?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely.
See, guys, it's a really cool engine, I promise. We're almost home. Stopped by to see Derek and Christian's here, so thought I'd come show them real quick. I don't know if you guys have seen this thing, but this is Christian's hatch. It's got an SR in it. He just picked it up a little while ago, and him and Derek have been cleaning it up a little bit. It's pretty dope. Yeah. Ooh, hello. The Yoda looking sick. Censored. Look at her squatting though. Must be a heavy engine.
Oh, pulling out the camera, boy.
Derek loves the camera. Now that I got this new camera, guys, it's massive. So like when I do this, it makes people super uncomfortable.
Nice one.
All right, guys. Well, I wanted to get Derek's reaction. They don't know what it is yet.
What is it?
Well, don't tell them, but give us like your best reaction face when you just walked up. All right, guys, if you've made it this far into the video, you guys are about to find out what the new engine is. And I appreciate you guys for sticking around. It was a big decision to completely swap power plants because I was pretty committed to the SR power plant. I had just went all in on that new engine and everything, and it was a really tough decision, but this is ultimately the engine I've always wanted. This is the engine that I knew I wanted from the beginning. It was just a little too far out of reach, and I finally realized that I could do it, and with selling the SR and everything, like, I thought I could make it happen. Here it is, guys. My new 1JZ. This is one of the most exciting days of my life, hands down. I'm ecstatic, man. This thing was a long time coming, and it took so long to find one because the prices on these things have, like I said, absolutely skyrocketed, and it was really stressful finding one for like any kind of a deal, anything that, you know, it ended up literally costing double what I was expecting to pay. So it kind of sucked, but at the end of the day, like I said, this is what I've wanted. This is the swap that I know is gonna be reliable finally. It's gonna have plenty of power for a long time on the stock turbo. And I'm just excited, man. This is, I'm happy. I don't know what else to say. I'm just really happy. So I hope you guys are excited for the new engine. If you are, leave a comment. Please like the video or subscribe if you haven't, because
there's gonna be a lot of build content coming out of this thing. We'll talk more about the engine in another video. I'm tired, it's been a long afternoon, evening. There's a lot of work that's gonna be coming up with getting this thing ready to drop in and getting the KA out of the 240 and everything. That's the end of this video. If you guys are excited for this build, if you're excited for the engine, if you were right when I asked you guys to guess, give this video a thumbs up. And please guys subscribe, a lot of build content coming, and I'll see you guys for the next one. Peace.